Let me tell you one thing. When I was informed that people were blocked and there was some commotion, I also saw some video which somebody shared with me of protesters sitting and blocking the this thing. Firstly, I condemn such kind of a behavior, because remember that even those who have not attended because of their own private busy schedules may still be supporting our cause. But then when you start doing these kind of things, it will create a kind of a division, unrest, and perhaps anger against us.
What the people were meant was it was unannounced.
No, that's okay.
Yeah.
Unannounced is different, but when it's unannounced, still you should know. Like you example, I'll give an example. Somebody dies and we have a funeral. A very important person dies. It's unannounced in the sense that people don't know that this funeral is going to go. But we walk respectfully on the side and allow the traffic to move along. It's not that we block the traffic and they say, do you know who died and therefore we are going to block? It's not like that. Similarly, even when we had this Ganesh visarjan, they were taking all this. I myself have gone to go and pay my respects in certain places. And they all went on the side and allowed the vehicles to pass by. So nobody was being inconvenienced, you understanding? So therefore, you having a protest, be there on the side, no problem, and allow the traffic to move.